Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing some lighting upgrades to Aaron's first gen Tundra. LASFIT reached out to us and provided us with some LA Plus H4 headlight bulbs to replace the halogen bulbs in Aaron's first gen Tundra. All right, let's run down some of the specs here. This is going to include 2 LED bulbs. These are extremely well made. They have a fan made onto the back of them. The pigtail will just directly hook right up to your pigtail on the vehicle. They have a 1-year warranty, a 45-day money-back guarantee. Color temperature is in a 6000 K, which is a very bright white. 3000 LM in lumens per bulb, 60 watts, and they're going to pull anywhere from 9 to 16 volts of juice, and that is your low beam, high beam, because it's a combo bulb. Now Aaron doesn't know that I have these bulbs, so this is going to be sort of a surprise. But he had remarked the other day just how poor his headlights were, so I think this is going to be pretty awesome. One thing to keep in mind, not only are these much brighter and they're just going to give a better clear light off-road, we have to think about the on-road aspect as well. And something that you just don't think about, especially with these older halogen bulbs, is just how little throw they have down the highway. They don't illuminate to the sides. They don't. You miss a lot when you're driving at night, and hopefully these are going to help remedy that. I think that this is going to be much safer on road. I mean, most people don't have just a dedicated wheeler that they trailer to an off-road park or to go do their thing. I mean, it's usually you're driving your daily and you're building that up, and anything that we can do to be safer, I'm all for that. So let's just check these out, see how bright they are, do a little before and after, and we'll wrap it up after we get them installed. That's your low beams.
They suck. Let's try high.
Oh, not much better.
No, I'm thinking about getting some LEDs.
I would highly recommend getting some LEDs.
Range Rover's got some good lights in it.
That it does.
Because just driving around at night, I don't know what would happen. I wouldn't be able to see a deer, I don't guess, if I jumped out front of us.
I mean, I figure you just like pretty much run right over. Oh my God!
Oh, we killed it.
What you doing?
Cleaning these raggedy lights.
Huh.
I can't see nothing. I hit a deer earlier. I don't want to hit another deer.
I don't blame you. You know, I think most traffic accidents at night happen because of the bulbs.
These are just halogens. They're not that great.
Have you decided to switch to LEDs yet?
I want to, but kind of expensive, aren't they?
Well, they're not too bad. Not at all. How about some LASFIT?
What's that?
Oh man, you need to try those out. Got a 45-day money-back guarantee, 1-year warranty.
Oh yeah.
They have little cooling fins on the back of it. They put out 3000 LM per light.
What's LM?
Luminous flux. It's actually about a 6000 K color range, which is nice. Got some specs there on the back.
Let's put them in, see what they're about. We need to get the hood popped.
Certainly. Thanks, random guy.
Anytime.
Well, that ain't good. Got a sheet metal screw holding that one in.
Oh,
No big deal. Fix that. Aha, got it. That's not LED. To the trash.
to the trash it goes.
All right. See if I can figure out how to get this baby in. I may have to take out 10 minutes of me trying to do that. There she is. All we gotta do is connect it back up. It's pretty easy.
I mean, that all took of 45 seconds.
Done.
Sweet. You know, LASFIT makes all kinds of cool products. They've got off-road lights, floor mats, different types of bulb packages for your interior and your exterior bulbs.
They have light bars?
Oh yeah, they got light bars.
Maybe get a light bar and some pods. Got it out.
Cool.
Jeez, you're going to edit out about 10 minutes of this.
Oh, there it is.
Be quiet, Andy. There we are.
Oh yeah.
We're done. 2 headlights.
Let's check it out and see how bright they are. That is quite the difference.
Low beam. Comes high.
Oh yeah. These lights are so bright, they're already keeping us from getting rabies. We're just kidding. But they are super bright, and they are adjustable, so you can get your beam pattern dialed in just right. All right, so what'd you think?
They're surprisingly bright. I've never had anything with LEDs before, and they seem to do the trick. They felt great. Quality, cool box, cool stickers. And for the price, I mean, you really can't beat them.
That's true. So if you want to find your own set for your vehicle, get on LASFIT.com, and I will include a link in the description at the bottom of this video. And they've got all kinds of stuff, off-road lights, LED lighting, LED interior upgrades. Just go check it out. And like I said, providing a code in the description. So
Go get you some.
that's right. Right now is a good time of year to be doing that to get for your auto enthusiast for Christmas.